What is the biggest thing in the universe? Not a planet, not a black hole, but a star so massive that it could swallow the sun if placed where our sun is. Meet Stephenson 2 to 18, the largest star ever discovered. Hi everyone, welcome to Kiddo Duo. I am Stephenson and today I'm going to talk about the largest star ever discovered. Stephenson 2 to 18. What is Stephenson 2 to 18? Stephenson 2 to 18, also known as ST2 to 18, is a red supergiant, or possibly even supergiant, located about 18,900 light years from Earth in the Scutum constellation. It belongs to a massive cluster of red supergiants known as Stephenson 2. How big is it? This behemoth has a radius roughly 21,150 times larger than our Sun. That means if it is replaced the Sun at the center of the solar system, its surface would stretch beyond Saturn's orbit. You could fill over 10 billion suns inside its volume. The temperature around of Stephenson 2 to 18 is about 3,200 degrees Kelvin, and its brightness is about 436,000 times more luminous than our Sun. It is a spectral type M6, very cool and very red type star. Why is it hard to study? ST2 to 18 is hard to study because it is hidden behind thick interstellar dust. Most of what we know comes from infrared observation, where the dust doesn't block most of the light as much. And like all stars, this massive, it lives fast and dies young, burning through its fuel just in a few million years. The contenders. Other stars like UY Scuti and UVY Canis Majoris were previously considered the largest, but update measurements may suggest Stephenson 2 to 18 may still hold the crown. But remember, the largest can mean different things. R136A1 was the most massive, not the biggest in size. It's over 300 times heavier than our Sun, but much smaller in volume. End of the giant. How will Stephenson 2 to 18 end its life? Eventually, Stephenson 2 to 18 will explode, possibly a hypernova creating heavy elements and likely leaving behind a black hole. This final act will mark the end of the star that redefined our concept of size in the universe. So this star is one of the most largest stars to have ever discovered in the universe. This star has a mind-blowing scale of size and structure. It is one of the largest stars ever discovered, maybe even the largest in size. Even though other stars like UV Scuti and VY Canis Majoris were previously considered the largest, but updated measurements still suggest Stephenson 2 to 18 may still hold the crown. So this star that shaped our concept of the size is actually only 18,900 light years away from us. It's hard to imagine how massive Stephenson 2 to 18 truly is. In a universe filled with billions of stars, this one stands out not for its beauty, but for its sheer scale. If you enjoyed learning about the largest star in the known universe, don't forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment. What would you do if Earth orbited Stephenson 2 to 18? See you in the next journey through space.